Hello guys, in this video I'm going to show you how to check popularity ranking on the Cookie Run Kingdom application. But first of all, I just want to mention, please don't forget to subscribe to our channel, because at 100,000 subscribers we are going to show you all YouTube revenue statistics and growth strategy, how to make money online. So let's jump into it. First of all, open the application on your device. This will take 5 minutes when the application is uploading. This is my cake farm, and you click to the 3 line at the upper right corner of the screen. Here you can find the fourth button, the Popularity Kingdom option. Click that and you can find the popularity ranking list. So that's pretty much it for this video, guys. See you in the next one. Bye bye.